Hello everyone. Good morning students, all of you. Listen student, in our previous lecture we have read about the demonstrative pronoun. Today we are going to read about the interrogative pronoun. Okay, interrogative pronoun. Like first read the sentence. Okay, carefully. What is written on the board? First, who is in the office? Who is in the office? Here see who. Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? It means किससे मिलना चाहते हो आप. Whose किसका. Is this pen? ये पेन किसका है? Okay. What is there? वहाँ क्या है? और which is your bicycle? Which is your bicycle? So these all, those are underlined words. Okay. These are WH words. Okay. These are WH words and these are used to ask questions. These words are used to ask questions. And in another word you can say these are interrogative pronoun because these are used to ask question. Okay. These are used to ask questions, so these are called interrogative pronoun because these are used instead of noun. Okay. Like who is in the office. कि ऑफिस में कौन है. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अबाउट नाउन, सो दिस इज इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. ओके. होम डू यू वॉन्ट टू मीट? किससे मिलना चाहते हो? सो इट्स आंसर इज ऑल्सो नाउन. ओके. सो इट्स इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. हुज इज दिस पेन? ये पेन किसका है? इट मीन्स इस आंसर इज ऑल्सो नाउन. ओके. वॉट इज देयर? वहाँ क्या है? इट मीन्स कोई चीज़ का नाम बताना है तो एनी थिंग्स नेम इज ऑल्सो नाउन. ओके. विच इज़ योर बाइसिकल? तुम्हारी बाइसिकल कौन सी है? सो हियर इज ऑल्सो दिस इज इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दोज वर्ड्स आर यूज टू आस्क क्वेश्चन. ओके. दोज वर्ड्स आर यूज टू आस्क क्वेश्चन. दे आर कॉल्ड इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. ओके. ओके. इंट्रोगेटिव pronoun are the words interrogative pronoun are the words which are used to ask question. Okay students, listen. Interrogative pronoun are the words which are used to ask questions. Okay. And we put question mark end of the sentence. Okay students, listen again. Interrogative pronouns are the words which are used to ask question and we put question mark. Okay. So don't forget to put question mark end of the sentence. We put question mark end of the sentences. Okay. I hope you have understood. These are, because these words are used to ask questions, so these are called interrogative pronoun. Okay. Because these answer is noun. These answer is noun and so these are called interrogative pronoun. Okay. So let's see. First, who. We will talk about the who. Students, who is used? Who is used for only person. Listen again. Who is used only for person? For living, I mean for person only. You have to remember that who is used only for person. Understood that? Who is used only for person. Whom whom is also used for whom, whose. These words are used only for person. Used for persons. Okay, student. Who, whom or whose are used for person. So, like see, who. Who is used only for person, like who is this? यह कौन है? It means we are asking about some person. Okay, like who is your father, who is your sister, who is your mother? Its answer is only noun, only person. Okay, whom is objective. Whom ask object. Again, whom is used to ask object. Like whom do you want to talk? Whom do you want to talk? आप किससे बात करना चाहते हो? It means whom is used only for person. I mean only for object. Like for example, whom do you want to meet? Here see, whom do you want to meet? आप किससे मिलना चाहते हो? तो its answer is object. If you want to give answer, then you will speak I want to meet. Like its answer क्या होगा? I want to meet your brother. जो भी आप बोलना चाहते हो, your brother, sir. So these are object. Okay, these are object because these answer, whom answer is object. So whom is used only for object. Okay, whose. See, whose is used to show possession. Okay, who is used to show possession. Like who is this pen? ये पेन किसका है? It means here whose word is being used to show possession. So whose is also used for, और किसका possession? लिविंग थिंग का, आई मीन पर्सनस का, कि पेन किसका है. इट मीन्स ये पेन किसी पर्सन का ही हो सकता है. पेन किसका है, हाउस किसका है. ओके, देन लाइक दिस, हुज इज दिस हाउस, हु इज दिस पेन, हु इज दिस नोटबुक. देन इट मीन्स वी वॉन्ट टू नो हियर पोजीशन, कि किसका ये मतलब इस पर किसका अधिकार है, किसका पोजीशन है. और वॉट, हियर सी वॉट, वॉट इज देयर. वॉट इट मीन्स, वॉट का मतलब ये थिंग के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. वॉट इज़ यूज फॉर थिंग्स, वॉट इज़ यूज फॉर थिंग्स. अगेन लिसन वॉट आई एम सेइंग, यू हैव टू लिसन केयरफुली. ओके, वॉट इज़ देयर, इट मीन्स वी वॉन्ट टू नो, इट मीन्स देयर इज़ एनी समथिंग, सो वी वॉन्ट टू नो वॉट इज़ देयर, वहाँ क्या चीज़ है. ओके, विच इज़ योर बाइसिकल, विच इज़ योर बाइसिकल, विच कौन सी. ओके, विच इज़ योर बाइसिकल. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज फॉर, which is also used for things and animals also. Listen again, which is used for choice, ये choice के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. which is used for animals, things and persons also. Okay, which is used for animals, things and persons also. So you have to remember, again I am saying who is used only for person. You have to remember, you have to keep in your mind who is used only for person, whom is used, who, whom or whose. These three words are used for person, but who is used, okay, only person. Like here we want to know about subject. Okay, here whom is used for object, to know about the object, and who is used for to show possession. Okay, what is used for things, only things. And which is your bicycle, which is used for animals, persons and things also. Let's see by the example. Like आप बोल सकते हैं, like what are these spots on your shirt. Okay, see, वॉट आर दीज स्पॉट्स ऑन योर शर्ट, कि तुम्हारी शर्ट पे किसके, स्पॉट मीन्स धब्बे हैं, ओके, स्पॉट्स ऑन योर शर्ट, ओके, बिकॉज किसी चीज़ के धब्बे होंगे तो यहाँ पे हमें कोई चीज़ का ही पता चलेगा, ओके। हियर विच, आई टोल्ड यू विच is used for person, animals and things. Which is used for persons, animals and things. Remember, you have to learn this. Which is used for persons, animals and things, okay. But when we use which for person, that means it's choice. Like जैसे आप बोल सकते हो which of them have completed work, okay. Which of them have completed work, मतलब कि किसने वर्क कर लिया, ओके. Which of them, it means them में से कई लोग, कई बच्चे हैं, उसमें से किसने वर्क कर लिया, मतलब कई में से एक चॉइस है होती है, तब जब से आप कई में से एक चॉइस करते हो, कई लोगों में से एक चॉइस करते हो, देन वी यूज विच, ओके. लाइक suppose if you want to, suppose there are so many boys are standing okay, farther away from you, then if you want to know कि in that group who is your brother, then you can ask which of them, कि उनमें से कौन सा, which of them, okay, which of them is your brother, which of them is your sister, which of them is your father, you can ask like this, understood that. And if you want to know only single thing, then you can ask, ये तो चॉइस में बात कर सकते हैं इसकी, तो only for choice. If you want to know only single, then you have to use it is you have to use which is used for only things, like which is your house, which is your house, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें कोई चॉइस नहीं है, हम यहाँ पे पर्सन के लिए यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, यहाँ पे विच इज़ योर हाउस, विच इज़ कि तुम्हारा घर कौन सा, यहाँ पे हम इसको थिंग के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं, थिंग, हाउस इज थिंग नेम, देन विच इज़ योर हाउस, ओके, विच इज़ योर पेन, विच इज़ योर बुक, देन यू कैन यूज़ लाइक दिस. बट इफ़ यू want to know about person, okay, about person, then you have to choose, okay, you have to choose a person from many, like which of them, okay, which of them is your father, like this, okay, then you can use which only, okay. Otherwise it is used only for things and animals, okay. I hope you understood that. Okay, understood who is used only for person, whom and whose is used only for person, but whose is possession, to show possession, whom is to ask about, to know about object, and who is used about the to know about the subject. And what is used for thing, which is used for animals, person and things also. So I am writing here this example, which examples, more example, like which is your notebook, okay, which is your notebook, which is which of these pens are his, which of these pens are his. Here ऑल्सो चॉइस ओके दीज पेन्स आई मीन मैनी पेन्स सो विच ऑफ की कौन सा पेन है इनमें से तुम्हारा इसका उसका कौन सा पेन है ओके देन हिज इज पोजीशन टू शो पोजीशन ओके which of them is your father, which of them is your father. So here listen one example. See, which is your notebook, it is used for thing okay which of these pens, it means choice, we are here we will choose okay choose मतलब here is choice which of these pens are his, which of them मतलब यहाँ पर्सन का अगर यहाँ पर्सन के लिए यूज़ हुआ है तो them में से हमें चॉइस करनी है ओके देन which of them is your father, which of them is your father. So like this we can use of which okay understood. So these are interrogative pronoun because they are used to ask questions. So students, second thing, read the sentence and some student ask me that ma'am we need to write this video whatever I explain on the board. So student, you don't need to write anything on your notebook, those exercises are given in your book related these chapters, you have to complete that exercise and you have to see, you have to watch this video carefully and listen everything carefully, understood what I explained to you. So you have to listen carefully okay because this video is only for your understanding okay. Okay, here I am first read the sentence. He asked me whom I gave that book. Okay. Respect what they say. I asked who was calling me. Okay student, see, you read most these type of sentences also because here we want to know indirect question, we are asking indirect question but these are not direct question, these are indirect question. So end of the sentence we will put here full stop because they are not question okay, they are not question because we use here like whom, what and who, these are used between of the sentence. So these are indirect question, so we will put here full stop okay, not question mark okay, remember this, we will put here full stop. Like he asked me whom I gave that book means उसने मुझसे पूछा मैंने किसको दी, तो whom means किसको दी, I gave that book कि मैंने वह बुक किसको दी. Respect what they say, respect करो कि वो क्या कहते हैं. आई मीन वॉट का मतलब ये होता है किसी भी चीज़ के लिए जिसका हमें पता नहीं होता. ओके, इट मीन्स व्हेन वी यूज़ वॉट. रेस्पेक्ट वॉट दे से. ओके, आई आस्क्ड हु वॉज कॉलिंग. मैंने पूछा कौन बुला रहा है मुझे. ओके, आई आस्क्ड हु वॉज कॉलिंग मी, कि मुझे कौन बुला रहा है. तो हियर दे आर इनडायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, दे आर नॉट डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, सो वी विल पुट हियर फुल स्टॉप ओनली. अंडरस्टूड दैट? So don't be confused. Okay, first, what is the difference between the interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives? So interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronoun. Okay, student, see. Which, what, and whose. Which, what, whose. These are interrogative adjectives also. But in which condition? Just wait. I am going to tell you here. Which, what, whose. See, what is the difference? Which game, what thing, and whose book. Listen, which game, what thing, whose book. When these interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective is used with noun, जब noun के साथ यूज किए जाते हैं, then in this condition they are called interrogative adjectives. Again, when these words are used with noun, noun के साथ यूज किए जाते हैं, in this condition they are called interrogative adjectives. And which is your pen, what is this, whose is this book, whose is this book. Again, listen, whose is which is your pen. Here see, there these are used alone. Okay, here these words are used alone, so in this condition they are interrogative pronoun, or they are here. See, which, what, and whose, they are used with noun. When these words are used with noun, that in that condition they are called interrogative adjectives. Okay, if these words, okay, are used, interrogative pronouns when used with alone, then in this condition they are called interrogative pronoun. Understood that? जैसे like which game do you want to play, आप बोल सकते हो which game do you want to play, what thing do you like to do, कौन चीज़ आपको करना अच्छा लगता है, which book, okay, which book do you want to buy, आप कौन सी बुक खरीदना चाहते हो, तो which book do you want to buy, which game do you want to play, आप कौन सा गेम खेलना चाहते हो, what things do you want to do, कि आप क्या चीज़ करना चाहते हो, ओके, what thing is there, वहाँ पे क्या चीज़ है. ठीक है, तो ये हमेशा यूज़ होते हैं विथ नाउन. ओके, इन इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव दीज आर यूज्ड विथ नाउन एंड दीज आर यूज्ड अलोन. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन and these are called interrogative adjective. So student, I hope you understood. Okay, so exercise those are given in your book related this interrogative pronoun chapter. You have to complete all exercise. Okay, if you have any problem You can ask me by messages. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.